Hello friends, today's topic Tuesday markets bumper or crash. What is your opinion? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial literacy of society. Yesterday evening, many agencies released their exit polls data. The numbers were different as per each agency. However, all the exit polls predicted a clear majority for the NDA. The following is the result of some polls and polls of polls results. For example, exit poll results, ABP New C voter, NDA 353 to 383, India 152 to 182, others 4 to 12. India Today, Access My India, the NDA according to them is going to come to 361 to 401, India 131 to 166, others 8 to 20. Today's Chanakya, NDA 385 to 415, India 96 to 118, others 27 to 45. ETG Research, India cut ETG Research, NDA 358, India 132, others 53. Mathries, NDA 353 to 368, India 118 to 133, others 43 to 48. Now I am coming to polls of polls range. NDA 365, India 145, others 33. Just to clarify, polls of polls is the average results of all exit polls made by various agencies. It gives a rough picture instead of seeing each exit poll separately. So the poll of polls results are showing whatever was expected. However, we need to see the actual results on Tuesday. How do you think markets will close at the end of Tuesday after voting counting is done? If we get more than 600 comments on your opinion on how markets will close on Tuesday evening, we will make a detailed video of what experts are predicting, history of markets on vote counting day, and what FIIs and DIIs might do in the coming days and weeks. The market reaction will have an impact on all stock market investors. So kindly comment as follows. How do you think markets will close at the end of Tuesday? There are three choices for you. A. Positive close. B. Negative close. C. Flat close. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.